Hi, I'm Andrew Armstrong and welcome to the back office teardown lab. You remember I have this big bag of Japanese treats to go through. Oh, there's a battery soldering iron. What is in that? I don't even remember what's in half these bloody things. Oh, the old little cars. And I haven't even gone through these yet, and I haven't even built my Gundams, and I haven't done anything of that. However, I haven't let that stop me from acquiring even more Japanese treats. In fact, I've got to take the camera up a bit. Look, I can't even fit it all in. I have to get a wide angle lens. But first things first, have a look at this. On the bag, I quite like this. This is from a Japanese food online shop, and I think this is a sort of opener for the box. Let's have a looky. Oh, I think it is indeed. That's nice, isn't it? That's very modern. I always think that if you go to sort of Tokyo or somewhere, it's high tech, and by Jove, I was right. I almost thought I sort of sounded a bit like what's his name, Professor Elemental. Then, by Jove, I might be right. This is hip hop, not an Elvis night. Oh, so it's full. Can't fit it under the camera. You'll just have to take my word for it. In fact, I think I can move our camera. How eerie. Right, so we've got all our packing beans and our sort of list of items in there. Let's take this mobile. Ooh. So many things. There's some of our mochi, still don't know how to pronounce it. Oh yeah, that looks good though. It's in green and red, the best flavours of mochi. This, oh, really heavy, this pack. This is a heavy pack. Rice cake. This is red and white. It does actually just say red and white right there. That's what they're calling it. You can see I've gone for a bit of a theme in some of this. Some taro mochi. I do. It's weird. If you look at one of my early videos with Jared, the multi-rotor guy, we were eating this, and I was kind of bitching about it. But now I can't get enough of the old mochi. Strawberry. I promise you, it's not all mochi. There are some random things I saw and went, oh, that looks random. So these apparently are some sort of candy, and I couldn't tell what they were in the picture, but they look really weird. And it says at the bottom, look, chorus whistle candy. So we'll have a go at some chorus whistle candy, and I don't propose I'm going to go through all of my bag of mochis in like an Ashen style video, because that would be just crazy. In fact, I might not even do any of them. I might just eat them and not tell you about eating them. But yeah, if you want to see any, let me know. Puff pastry, that looks heavenly, doesn't it? A chocolate puff pastry. Seeing the theme here, these all seem to be desserts. I must have been hankering for some Japanese desserts at the time. What is that? It looks great on the bag, but it's really seasoning for peppery chicken. Oh yeah, baby, look at that peppery chicken. What else have we got in here? More boxes. Oh yeah, look at that one. Some peanuts. Oh, mochi quake. Some red bean, and it is literally just falling on the floor here. I just have to start throwing them on the floor. It's okay. It's not as if there's harmful toxic chemicals on my floor. And we got even more. How many of these do I bloody buy? Mango. Got to check. They're best before date on these. And they're actually relatively low. Look, in calories, 101 calories a pop. So that's not so bad, is it? It's measurable, isn't it? Japanese style red bean, peanut and sesame, and you can see that one there is coated in toasted sesame. Delicious. Oh, and I had to have another go at this. You know, I quite like peanut. This is really heavy. This is a peanut based cookie, so that's going to be quite good. You know, I really don't want to make videos about this. I don't want to waste so much time. I just want to get in and eat them. Maybe if I open them and eat some, I think they're of value, I'll show you. I don't know. You let me know how we should do this. Here's 5 packs of hot chicken flavour ramen, and that again really heavy. I do like the look of that, and I like the actual format. Stir-fried noodles, extremely spicy, so that might not be one to have with the kids. Or maybe it is one to have with the kids if you don't want them to eat your ramen anymore, because they won't ask you or pest you. Let's get this one the right way. Ah! It's all going Pete Tong here. What's this one? There is absolutely. All right. I'll just perch it here. There is absolutely no English at all on this one. It's a bit slippy, but it does look like it's a chili flavour. Definitely some sort of spicy. I do like me spicy, so that's probably what that is. Oh, there's a lot of line items on this. Yes! Forgot about that. This is absolutely amazing, and I don't think I ever made a video about CES, but I was talking about this in the video for CES, which I ought to just make. But this is the White Rabbit candy, and I love this White Rabbit creamy candy. And the first time I had it was at CES, and the only time. And every time I saw it at a stall, I'd just pick up some, because they were sort of having little plates and nibbles for people to eat. And I was just saying, can I have a White Rabbit candy? And they were saying yes. They were too polite to tell me no. And that's why I got 2 bags of this stuff. It's weird. It's like a creamy candy, and it's got a sort of... I guess it's a rice paper covering. Whoa, this is heavy. Crikey, that's heavy. What is that? That's a couple of kilos of, I think, a South Korean, excuse the camera work there, a South Korean spicy chili paste in a quantity that, I don't know, it's like over a kilo easily. Definitely over a kilo. In fact, it's a 1 kilo pot. So there you go. I'm so weak now that a kilo feels like more than a kilo. And of course, who can resist throwing in a pack of the sliced pickled ginger, just like your Yo sushi, just to add that little condiment, some Obento brand. And we've got 3 jars. And we kind of have to maybe look through the bubble wrap, because opening bubble wrap in one hand is going to be impossible. But this one, I can see through the wrappings, is a teriyaki marinade sauce. Teriyaki goodness. And if you haven't tried teriyaki, try teriyaki. Just try it. That's it. And this is a jar of kimchi. Very nice indeed. I think this is again South Korean style kimchi in jar. And one more jar. What is this mystery jar? I'm going to hold it up to my eyeball. You can look at that while I'm looking. It says chicken flavour chili oil with tofu. Chicken flavour chili oil with tofu. I mean, I thought tofu's a solid, but that's a liquid. Is there a tofu liquid? Perhaps there is. So that's all that's in there, and yeah, it's quite the actual pile of stuff when you add it all up. So I'm going to have to do something with these packing beads, and then put them away and forget about them probably, and you know, just like I did with this bag of stuff. So yeah. So just to reiterate while I reload my box minus packing beans, if you'd like me to do anything with this in front of camera so you can experience the enjoyment of me consuming these foods vicariously, then just comment down below and let me know what you'd like to see and maybe how you'd like to see it done. I'm willing to try all sorts of new things. I am certainly an adventurer. But look at that. That is one full box. I mean, where the heck did they get the packing beads in that lot? I'm very pleased with that. Lots of noms. Again, comment down below, like, share, subscribe, and thank you, friends, for watching.